So I just checked my earning dashboard this morning and Medium account combined with affiliate commission hit 3,847 last month. Now before you click away thinking this is another get rich quick story, it's not. This took me 4 months of constant work, dozens of failed articles and a very strategic strategy that I am about to tell you through step by step. I am Vishwajit and 3 years ago I was watching Make Money Online videos during my delayed SEC exam in Bangladesh. Failing at literally everything I tried. Today I run Max Marketing, but more importantly I have figured out a system that actually works for affiliate marketing on Medium. And I am going to show you the exact method, the mistake I made so you don't have to, and why Medium is honestly one of the most underrated platforms for affiliate income right now. Stick around till the end because I am share the 3 articles types that generated 80% of my affiliate clicks, and one of them will surprise you. Let me ask you something. What if I told you 3 problem where you don't need 10,000 followers to make money, where the algorithm actually rewards quality content over viral trends? That's Medium. Here's why this combination is powerful. First, Medium has built-in traffic, unlike starting a blog from scratch where you are scamming into the wallet hoping Google notices you. Medium has 100 million monthly readers already on the platform. When you publish, you are dropping into that existing audience immediately. Second, Medium readers are high intent. Those are not people mindlessly scrolling TikTok, they are actively searching for solution. Reading 7 minutes article and clicking on the resource. This average Medium reader is educated, has disposable income and trust well-researched content. Third, Medium's partner platform plus article plus affiliate income dual revenue. You get paid for reading time through Medium's platform A&D, and you earn commissions when readers click your affiliate links. It's like getting paid twice for the same work. Now, I don't figure this out overnight. My first month on Medium, I made just $12. I was writing generic motivational content that nobody cared about, throwing affiliate links randomly and wondering why nothing worked. Everything changed when I stopped writing what I thought people wanted to start using data to what people were actually searching for. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Choose your affiliate niche based on your scarce intent. Here's my first major lesson. You cannot succeed on Medium writing about random products. You need a niche where people are actively seeking recommendations. That the 3 best performing niches for Medium affiliate marketing: productivity tools, software, apps, courses, online business, research, web hosting, email marketing, and design tools. Personal development, books, courses, coaching programs. I choose online business tools because I am already using those products for maximum marketing. I recommending hosting. I actually use email software I have tested. SEO tools I really on. This authenticity matters. Readers can small fake recommendation from a mile away. Pro tip: only promote products you have been actually used for at least 30 days. Your credibility is worth more than our single commission. Step 2. Keyword research for Medium. This is where my SEO background kicked in. Medium has its own internal search engine and most people completely ignore it. Here's what I do. Start typing your topic in Medium search bar and look at the autocomplete suggestion. Those are real searches from real users. I keep it a screenshot for every highest potential phrase. Then I cross reference on Google Trends and answer the public to see what question people are asking about those products. For example, instead of writing best email marketing tools, which is oversaturated, I write ConvertKit versus MailChimp for beginner bloggers. I tested both for 60 days. That's what cuts through the noise. I'll be honest, my mechanic experience from 2018 taught me this diagnostic thinking. When someone brought a broken motorcycle, I don't just guesses randomly. I systematically tested its component. Same with the content. I test headlines. I analyze what already ranking. I reverse engineer successful article. Step 3. The article structure that converts. Here the framework that generated most of my affiliate clicks. Start with a personal story or relatable problem. Share your experience with the product, the comparison or deep dive. This is where you provide massive value. Screenshot of real data. Pros and cons. Don't just price everything. Point out limitless. When I reviewed web hosting, I monitored the cons of each service. Readers trusted more because of it. The recommendation section. This is where your affiliate links lives. But here's the key. Position it as here's what I ultimately choose and why. rather than buy this now. Soft selling always outperform aggressive pricing on Medium. Alternative option. Always give 2 to 3 alternative with their own affiliate links. Not everyone has the same needs to board. Step 4. Medium distribution strategy. Publishing on Medium is not like posting your blog. You need to understand their distribution system, publication, submit your articles or relevant Medium publications. I target publications with 10k to 100k followers in my niche. Getting accepted puts your content in front of their entire audience. Tags. Use all 5 alert tags strategically. Mix broad tags like affiliate marketing with strategic ons like email marketing tools. Timing. Publish Tuesday. Tuesday morning US Instant Time. That's the when Medium most active readers are online. Step 5. The follow-up system. Here's what most people miss. One article would not change your life. You need a content ecosystem. I write 3 to 4 articles per week. Each on links to related articles have been written. This creates an internal web that keeps reader in your content longer, builds authority, and increases your chances to their click and your affiliate link eventually. My most affiliate article was not my first. It was my 37th, but the 37th article referenced my earlier work, and suddenly those older articles started getting traffic again. Now, let me share the 3 article types that actually make money. Article type 1. I spent X days testing Y articles. Example, I used Notion for 90 days to build my business. Here's what happened. Why it works. People trust first-hand experience over generic listicles. Those articles position you as someone who's done the work, not just regenerating information. My Notion article generated 47 affiliate clicks and 283 in commission because I showed actual screenshot of my workflow, shared what frustrated me, and explained exactly what it's right for. Article type 2. The honest comparison. Example, Grammarly versus Pro Writing 8. I tested both for 6 days, real data, what works. People are actually comparing options. You are just making their decision easier with real data. I included side-by-side screenshot, pricing breakdowns, and my honest recommendation. Comparison articles have the honest conversion the rates because the readers are already in buying mode. They are just looking for the final push. Article type 3. Here's my entire setup article. This one surprised me. Example, every tool I use might run a 10k month online business. Why it works? Optional and plus practical. Readers want to model success, and when you share your entire tech stack with affiliate links to each tool, you are giving them to a roadmap. I almost don't publish this article because I thought who I am to share my setup. I am 22, still in my second year at National University studying economics, but vulnerability, that's the exactly what resonates. People connected with the follow student entrepreneur angle more than if I pointed to be some established guru. My Winner CPA project failed at 2023 because I was trying to be something I was not. Medium succeeded because I showed up as myself, failures, mechanic background, Bangladesh origin, all of you it. Mistake 1. Providing too many products. I see people trying 15 articles links in on articles. Pick 2 to 3 maximum. Give each on proper attention. Mistake 2. Heading your affiliate disclosure. Medium readers are smart. Always disclose then if you earn a commission. I put it right and at the top. This article contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Mistake 3. Writing for everyone. My first month, I write 10 best productivity apps that boomed. When I narrowed the 5 productivity apps, especially for freelance writers managing multiple clients, it took ruthlessly. Mistake 4. Quitting after 5 articles. Remember, my 37th article changed everything. Constantly bets on the perfection every single time. So here the reality stake. Making 3,847 in a month on Medium don't happen in a month. It took 4 months of testing, writing, failing, adjusting. It took 40 articles. It took learning Medium's algorithm, understanding affiliate psychology, and being brutally honest with my audience. But here's the what also true. It's completely replaceable. You don't need a massive following. You don't need expensive tools. You need a writing willingness to write consistently, promote products you actually believe in, and treat your readers like intelligent humans, not walking waters. Your next step? Pick on affiliate programs you are genuinely excited about, something you already used to and love. Write your first honest reviews this week. Not perfect, just publish if this was helpful. Hit the like button so YouTube knows to share this with more people. Subscribe if you want more real talk about affiliate marketing. So marketing, SEO and building online business without the hype. And drop a comment what's the on affiliate product you are thinking about promoting. I read every comment and I will give my honest feedback. I am Rishajit from Maximum Marketing. Reminder, I am not same overnight success for decades of long guru. I am just someone a few steps ahead, willing to raise back in and help. I started December 3rd, 2021, failing at online service and my auntie's house. Today I am here studying with actually works. Your turn. Go write the first article. See you in the next on. Bye.